how you can create a poll on WhatsApp using your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, simply open your WhatsApp application. Inside of WhatsApp application, you can do this for any group or organization as well, but here I chose to do it in a private. So once you're here, if you are on Android, so you simply click over this link option here, this paperclip option here, and you will see the poll option here, and you can see, simply type in the make a poll for here like this. And once you make a question or poll like this, and you can simply upload it from here, like by sending it. And every time the user or the group members, in my case this user, presses on or votes on some options, then this will be updated. So that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can make vote WhatsApp app. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can make WhatsApp bot poll vote easily. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.